I'm John. I'm new to this industry.
Hi, I'm Shikin from IQI.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Logan and I'm from Central KL.
So I would say would be on the legal side, because we really need to know what is happening in this industry, and then what is the real life, real scenario. It has a pretty wide range of descriptions, and then I think it's pretty well explained.
The bank and loan aspect. Why is because it's so something very important to a bank because it will help us to guide the clients in terms of their loan purpose, banking aspects and so on.
I think it's a must. Everyone wants their sales, but a lot of people don't know what they should do and then what they should not do.
The trainer is very knowledgeable in the area, and the way she handling the question, tentatively very responsive during the course.
Why did I choose Excel Academy? First thing first, there was a strong recommendation from my friend, but apart from that, I came in personally to do the place. I was really taken back with all the friendly and warm approach of the staff here, and I felt the coziness and comfort. So that was my preference and choice of Excel Academy.